Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shared Google Calendar. First thing first, open a browser and at the top search bar type in calendar.google.com. You will see a page like this. From your left hand side you will see other calendars. If you go ahead and click on this plus button, you will see create new calendar, and this is exactly what we want to do. So go ahead, give it any name like YouTube team, give any description. You can also leave it empty. Select the time zone, select create calendar. Wait for this to load, and after a couple seconds your calendar will be saved. Now go back. Now under my calendars you can see the calendar that I have created. And if you click on this three dot icon, you can also change its color. In my case I would like to go for this red one. And likewise you can also invite members so that your calendar and their calendar will be synced. Select settings and sharing for that. And under shared with, select add people and groups and add members. And let's go ahead and add some task to it. For that, select your calendar, and by default if you click onto it this might uncheck it, so make sure that this is checked. Let's go ahead and add a random calendar. I'm going to view my calendar by monthly, and let's go ahead and add it right here. I'm going to give it name test. Select more options. On your left hand side you can see this calendar. Select this and make sure that you are selecting the specific calendar where you would like to add an event. To click on save, and as you can see that I have created a sample which is test under my YouTube team. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.